Today we're going to talk about garlic. I'm going to show you a really quick way. Well, it's actually not that quick. It takes about an hour, but it's a really good way of using up a lot of garlic and you create something really delicious. We're going to confit a load of garlic. And what we get from this is two things. Firstly, we get a delicious flavored garlicky olive oil. Secondly, we get a squeezable garlic confit, which we can use. We can spread on bruschetta. You can use it as a pizza base. You can use it as a base for marinades and sauces. When you really sort of slow cook garlic like this, you remove that natural sort of sour, quite bitterness of the garlic and you're left with something really sweet, but still tastes of garlic. You need to get yourself an oven-proof dish, casserole dish, a small one, or a cast iron frying pan. You want to put all your garlic inside, cover with olive oil. At this stage, we can add any aromatics we like. Really sort of woody, quite hardy ones work best. So I'm just going to go for rosemary because rosemary and garlic works perfect. I know that looked like an awful lot of olive oil. It was, but don't worry, we will be using this olive oil and the garlic confit. It lasts for ages as long as you store it properly in the fridge. Once you've got your olive oil in, you want to cover it with a tin foil lid. You want to make sure that the garlic is fully submerged, so give it a good press down. And now in your oven at 90 degrees, you're going to put it in and it's going to take about an hour and a half. These have been in the oven for just over an hour. You know they're done, the skin starts to fall away, they're lightly golden, and when you give them a little squeeze, they're really sort of soft to the touch. So to get the garlic out, really simple. Let them cool down, that's really important. They will stay blistering hot for ages. Once they're cool, take them out, get yourself a little dish, and then you can literally just squeeze them out of their skins. And then you've got this beautiful garlic puree. Yeah, look at that. So this is ready to use straight away. Like I said, delicious. Use it in sauces, spread it on toast. It's just excellent. Now to store this, what I would do is I'd leave the garlic in the bulbs, submerge in oil, put it in a kilner jar or just a jam jar and keep it in your fridge. So I really hope you enjoyed that. If there's any other vegetable you'd like to see us cook, talk about or prepare, then leave us a comment below. Hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more weekly videos.